guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Now it's lunchtime. Yeah, I didn't film breakfast because I'm a YouTube watcher like you guys. You might realize that most of my videos, they don't remain the same for too long because just like you, I'll get bored of the same thing. So we've had breakfast here, I filmed lunch, I filmed dinner. Today is something a little bit different. Now, I'm a little bit annoyed with how good the food has been here, so I want to go inside the kitchen to see exactly what is it that they're doing to make the food so great. So hopefully, if I'm able, I'm gonna try to hijack the kitchen so I can take you back there and show you what a hotel kitchen is like. Let's see if we can do this. All right, so the first thing we are gonna need to do is to sanitize. Alright guys, so we are finally in the kitchen with Chef Garfield, right? Yeah. So what are you doing now, Chef Garfield? What are you preparing on the menu?
Jerk sausage pizza.
Oh, okay, so a jerk sausage pizza. Okay, cool. Now, how long have you been working here?
Oh, it's 17 years.
17 years, man. Whoa. So what is the pace like usually when you're here? Very fast?
Yeah.
Okay, very fast. And would you say that the jerk sausage pizza has been a popular one?
Yeah.
Very popular. Awesome. So what are the ingredients? What are the main ingredients you use for your jerk sausage pizza?
Yes. Onions, sweet pepper, tomato.
Okay, cool. Alright, chef, what you having at the pot, so?
Rice and peas.
Rice and peas?
Yeah.
I have a quick question. Any special thing that you need to do for rice and peas to get it shelly or just full of flavor?
Yeah, with coconut milk and
Yeah.
seasoning with thyme, chili and some ginger, some garlic.
Who teach you how to make rice and peas? School or grandma? Good question, no. You know, answer my question. Who teach you to make rice and peas? Nobody?
You can learn.
Just look and learn.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Makes sense, man. Alright, so not a lot of persons are on the channel that watch the videos who just are like a lot of us. Some of us, we just learn how to cook just by looking. We watch YouTube videos, we see what other people do, or maybe we just saw our grandmothers cook. So it's great to know that a chef learned how to do rice and peas just by observation, and after 17 years, the art just gets perfect. It gets better and better and better. The more you cook any dishes, the better you're gonna get at doing it. Okay guys, now I'm in the baking room and I'm happy to be in the baking room. Reason being, it is cool in here. In the kitchen is very much a hot place, but the baking room, the temperature has to be cold, right?
I'm going to frost the chocolate cake.
Ah, so you're gonna frost the chocolate cake. So, tell us your name.
This is buttercream chocolate frosting.
So it's chocolate frosting.
Buttercream.
Buttercream.
Chocolate.
Okay, so what's your name?
I'm Pam.
You're Pam.
Yes.
That sounds like a cake name and like a cake making lady's name, you know?
Otherwise, you heard you next week.
Yeah. Did you make the Black Forest cake?
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh, that cake is lovely. I love that one.
All pastries, bread, baguettes,
We also loved your cinnamon roll. Oh,
cinnamon.
a cinnamon roll.
Yes.
We love that. My sister loved it. Good job, man. No problem. So we have the cakes being set up here.
This is banana.
This is banana bread?
Yes.
Oh, okay, awesome. All right, what cake do you find to be like the best one? Like everybody just talks about that cake.
Bread.
Yeah, what cake is the favorite, the popular one?
Yes.
Which one?
Which one?
Yeah, which cake is a popular cake here that gets ordered the most? This one gets ordered the most?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
So after layering.
Okay, so you're gonna layer it.
Yes.
Ooh.
So right there.
Oh, it's called crumb coating.
Crumb coating, right?
Ah, okay.
They're sealing the crumbs. They will mess up my cake.
Okay.
Alright.
That's awesome. How long have you been working
So when I
here?
finish, I'm gonna put on the proper coating.
Okay.
Alright.
How long have you been working here?
12 years, 13 years. 26 of this month will be 13 years.
13 years.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, Pam. I realize a lot of the persons been working here for a long time.
Yes.
Wow. And that's a good thing because it means that the menu items taste the same when the guests come back because it's the same person cooking it.
Yes.
Whoa. That's pretty awesome.
You maybe find some changes of something somewhere.
So I have a pretty popular question because I used to work at a fine dine restaurant and I find like every single year we would change a menu item. So there'd be something different. Do you guys do that too?
Right.
Okay.
So,
Understood. Cool. If you guys like chocolate cakes or you know how to make chocolate cakes like this, drop it in the comments and let us know.
final frosting.
This is a final frosting.
This is a proper coating.
This is a proper one to make it look
This is-
sexy.
Cover this one, then decorate it, and then I'll put it into the cooler.
Into the cooler.
Yes, there's a cooler.
Oh.
But, you know, we don't really have much. I don't know if you wanted to see some of this stuff. Let me see what is in here. That you won't mind seeing. Alright, here we have a cream caramel.
Okay, let me come over there with you.
Just cream caramel. And the cheesecake will be right next.
Ooh.
There's the cheesecake, right?
Okay. So it's a cream caramel and that's a cheesecake.
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of cheesecake is that? Because I'm a big cheesecake fan.
Strawberry.
Strawberry
Yes,
cheesecake.
strawberry toppings and cream caramel.
Okay.
Cream, not it, it's not cream, it's cream caramel.
Okay, why is it creme? What does that mean? What's the difference?
Yes. Let me see what else in here that I prepared recent. Again, not very much because things is not really up.
Yeah.
But here we have frozen bananas. We are over bananas to you.
Okay.
Yes, we have the frozen. A vacuum pack.
Okay.
Alright.
And that increases the shelf life, right? Keeps
I
it
don't
fresh
have
longer.
Ice cream, but lime juice.
Oh, lime juice?
Yes.
Okay. What do you use the lime juice for?
And sorbets, maybe some desserts, or it use at the bar or stuff like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorbets and desserts.
As
Okay.
I don't have any ready ice cream and I don't have any sorbet because my machine is not working.
Okay, it's not working at the moment. Cool. What I like, I think you are very ready for the video. Like you are very comfortable on camera. I love that.
Okay.
Completely love that, man. Awesome. So how did you start? Because I know there's a lot of chefs in Jamaica who never really went to no big school, to no cooking, whatever. You learn over time and you get better at it. How did you start baking?
Yeah. Alright.
So did you learn baking the same way? Did you just learn from your grandma or just coming to a restaurant and learning?
If I
Yeah, how did you learn to bake? How did you learn?
don't get that. I don't get what yes, because I guess I'm so.
Okay.
And that's so. Yes, so that's I don't care.
No problem. I was saying, how did you learn to bake?
To bake?
Yes.
Oh, okay. As a matter of fact, I came here learning to do this chocolate cake.
Okay.
But I studied outside before I came.
Okay.
Right, but this chocolate cake is really different from, I guess, from some because they don't really use. Some people use milk, some don't. Some use straight chocolate, some don't. They use a mixture of chocolate and cocoa powder.
So you use your own style. Oh, I love.
And some products, yes.
Yes, all right.
And some products, yes, I do that.
Got you.
Yes, because for example, maybe I may use a bit of sour cream in some chocolate cake. I may use some milk or I just use straight water to get bind the mixture together. So you have a mixture for different. You have a different taste, you have a different look of the cake. But if I use a straight chocolate with cocoa powder and water, you get a much firm cut chocolate cake.
But you're looking for something more moist.
Right, when you use it's like milk and then sour cream, you get a more dense, much moist.
Okay, moister. Got you.
Alright, I'm gonna finish some decoration on this.
Cool. So what do you call that technique? Is that called piping? Oh, okay, cool. All right.
So I'm gonna cut it so you can have a look at it. You know, I'm gonna put it so
Look how soft that cake was. Oh, yeah.
That's good enough?
Yeah, that's good enough. Thank you. So you guys might have watched my video, I believe it was yesterday night, where I ordered this cake, and look how tender it is. I'm gonna try to make you see how soft it is really quick. Give me a second. Did you guys just see the jiggle on that cake? Oh boy. But anyway, Pam's got these breads here. What kind of breads are these? They're baguettes?
Baguette French bread.
Oh, they're French breads. This is what you use for the garlic bread.
Yes.
Oh, yo, those are
Garlic
good.
bread, also you make sandwiches.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but you make smaller ones called panini for panini sandwiches.
Okay, so you use it for the garlic bread and sandwiches.
Yes.
Oh, is it? It's for like paninis?
This one is baguette bread. Okay, I do them smaller for panini.
You need smaller for paninis?
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm sorry if you're not hearing so well because this big fridge just turned on to cool down the stuff, so it's a little bit noisy. But yeah, over time we'll improve on that. Alright, so what are you doing over there now, Pam? Just finished storing some of the frosting, right? Okay.
I don't know if you wanted anything more for today. I'm gonna do some fish patty, but it will get a later point because filling is not yet ready.
Listen, when you're ready to do those fish patties, please.
Fish patties, I'm gonna do some fish patties.
What time is that? I will be here.
The filling is not yet ready.
Okay.
Yes. So
All right.
I don't know if you wish to come back or you
I wish to come back, yes.
wish to come back?
Yeah.
Alright.
About what time?
Let me check.
Alright.
Alright. Can come at about 12:30.
12:30. 12:30, 35.
Yes.
Alright.
12:30, 12:35, can come on.
If you guys are appreciating videos like these where I go into the kitchen and show you what a hotel kitchen could be like, yo, drop a like on the video, drop a comment, tell me what you like to see. If you've ever worked in a kitchen like this before, let us know what your experiences were. Of course, I just did this all of a sudden, so they probably weren't ready for me or whatever. But you know, that's how we do it on Soai Vlogs. We want to show you what's happening, how your food is made, and let me tell you, the cakes that they make here are definitely great. I'm gonna head back over to the chef. He's a little bit more nervous than Pam. Pam is a star, but I'm gonna go back over there to the chef and see what he's doing with the pizza. Okay, now we are back in the heat of the kitchen. We're here with the shy chef. All right, what are you making right now?
Brown stew chicken.
Oh, brown stew chicken. All right, that looks good, man. Some nice brown stew chicken. What's happening with the pizza? It's already in?
No.
Oh, you were waiting for me. Okay, so what kind of cheese is this?
Cheddar, New Zealand cheddar.
Let me tell you, I ordered this pizza yesterday and it was fantastic. It was really good. How do you make the crust? Like, what kind of crust is it? Pam?
Yes.
Okay, I gotta talk to Pam. Pam, how do you make the crust? The crust for the pizza?
Yes.
Bread? The pizza? Pizza? The pizza crust?
Pizza crust?
Yeah.
Yes.
How do you make it?
Okay. Contain flour, yeast, oil, pre-bake, filling for the sauce containing tomato, sweet pepper, onion, and tomato paste.
Okay.
And some herbs, salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Okay. All right. Thank you, Pam. And that's her bread. Yo, man, teeth one of them bread and carry back to town. Bread look nice. All right.
You know, she don't eat enough.
Yeah, sure.
So I'm gonna put it in.
You're gonna put it in the oven. All right. What temperature do you put it in at? 350. All right. Let's do it.
So why you never put it over here so it done faster? Come here.
I don't want no ears.
How long does it stay in there for? Like 5 minutes?
Yeah,
About 5 minutes. All right. All right. So how do you know that the rice is ready when it's such a big pot? And it's bigger than a regular pataya. How do you know?
It's not big.
Well, true. Well, how you know it ready?
Yeah.
You do a taste test them and thing or
Yeah, I have it easy. You can't look funny and say.
you just get used to it, you just look and know?
Yeah.
Alright, I feel you. Alright? Alright guys, I want you guys to drop a lot of love for the chef, for Pam, because you don't know. It's not easy to be on a camera and someone to be filming you and stuff like that. So just drop a lot of likes for them, drop some comments, give them some big ups because they didn't have to have me back here in the kitchen showing you guys how some of the awesome meals are made that get put out there for me to eat and try and tell you and review. So drop some likes for them, you know, give them a thumbs up, and let's see how the pizza is gonna come out next. Alright guys, I've had the pleasure of working in a really good fine dining restaurant before. It wasn't as big as this one. This is a very big industrial kitchen for my experience. It was a smaller kitchen that we worked on, but it's really good to see that some of the, you know, the machinery and the equipment that they have is up to standard. I really enjoy seeing that, you know, there's all the dishwashing equipment and all of that. Now, looking at a kitchen this size for a smaller size property, it definitely shows you that this kitchen usually puts out a lot of food, generally, a lot of food that gets put out. Chef, quick question. Usually, when it's a busy day, how many other chefs are working with you?
4 or 5.
4 or 5.
Yeah.
So you get the idea. But now things are a little bit slower. So when you have one chef, one kitchen chef, and that's usually enough to get all the food done with the amount of guests that we might have. Well, you know, so you love watching you are cooking. What is this? Is this for the fish patty filling?
Fish? Yes, so to make a fish patty.
Okay. So would you say that the fish patties here are very good?
Just make fish patty.
Alright.
Alright. I'm gonna make it steam a little.
Make it steam a little bit?
Yes.
What kind of fish? Smell good, eh? What kind of fish? Tilapia? Snapper? Nice. Mama, you help cook though?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Mixing some milk.
I like seeing that. I like seeing that. Guys, what I love about being in a professional kitchen is that everybody's moving very fast. People are quick. You know, first you guys saw Pam all the way over there. She was doing pastries. Now she's back here doing fish patty fillings. Now you have the chef over there doing rice and peas, pizza, and brown stew chicken. Oh my gosh, yo, it's ridiculous how quick they are, and it's extremely hot in the kitchen. I've been in kitchens before, and trust me, it's very hot back here. And now Pam's over here on the breads. Let me guess, this is the breads you use for the French toast.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that bread is delicious, man. That bread is delicious.
You want to make sandwich also.
Okay, yeah, my sister had the sandwich. It was pretty good. Oh guys, I'm everywhere. So you said the pizza is ready. Oh, that looks very delicious. Alright, let me call her so she can get her pizza. Guys, since I've been here, my stomach has been on full. Trust me. Yeah, that's good for me. Yeah, my stomach is so full. I eat every single meal. It's ridiculous. So I'm just getting some rice and peas with some stew chicken, and that's a very popular dish in Jamaica. Almost any restaurant you go to, you should be able to get some stew chicken and rice and peas. All right?
Yeah.
Oh,
But I think.
you can give me like the leg. I feel special, you know, because I can come in the back of the kitchen and just be like, hey, I want a leg. King treatment. And can I get a wing? A leg and a wing.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Love it here. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Okay, cut the pizza.
Okay, it's time to cook the pizza. Oh yes, we have the chef himself bringing out the food for us. This is a compliment, you know. Hot. I was there when it came out of the oven. It's a hot man. How is it though? It's good.
See this look on my face?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Alright, I'm gonna get into the stew chicken and I'll tell you guys what I think. Guys, not tell nobody. That chef here used to live in Granny. The rice tastes exactly how my grandmother used to make the rice. You can taste the coconut in it. Boy, chef go on with things. The stew chicken tastes exactly what you expect stew chicken to taste like, but I'm very impressed with the rice and peas, yo. Alright, let me be very honest with myself right now. I'm a little bit disappointed with me because I knew I shouldn't have eaten anything because now I have the itis. I don't know if I feel like I want to video nothing. I just want to sit right here under this coconut palm tree thingy and just sleep for the rest of the day. The second reason why I'm disappointed in myself is that I took so little bit of the food. Since I've been here, my stomach has been full all the way through. My stomach hasn't grumbled even once because the food is that good here. What I'm impressed with is the freaking rice and peas. Like the rice and peas tasted almost, if not exactly the way that my grandmother used to make it. It just goes to show you, the more you do anything, and this guy has been working here for about 16, 17 years, that I would say he's perfected the art of cooking rice and peas. It's not overly shelly and it's not overly soft. Let me just say, compliments to the chef, well done. Now, if you guys want to see me continue this video instead of sleeping under this coconut palm tree thingy, drop it in the comments and just say, so excited. I will go back in there and I will film Pam doing these fish patties. I've never really seen anyone make patties before. I want to see how good these patties are. To be quite honest, I don't think she's going to be successful. Call me negative. But patty making is an absolute art. Anyway guys, you know what to do. Remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.